we're going to do a little body work on my buddy Jeff's truck. Yep, I know, we lost sound. So here we go, voiceover. Got a couple dents, one down there by the wheel, one right there on the cab corner, another one above the wheel well. Anyway, this is OG S10, my buddy Jeff's truck. Somebody set their big butt up there on the roof. No, that's not a bullet hole, but somebody tried to fix that by putting a bolt hole in it, straightening it out. But I did it the right way, used stud welder, slicked it up, put some aluminum fast, then some fiberall, then a little body filler, put a little primer on it, and you'll see at the end I put a little red spray paint, just something to kind of give it a little color so it doesn't look so bad. Give me a like, subscribe, check it out for more over here at BNS Restoration. Thanks.